Peace Divines, welcome to Montauk Avenue, and I welcome you to my channel. If you're new to this channel, welcome, and be sure to like, share, and subscribe so you can be notified of more videos. And today I am on my channel because I wanted to share 3 juicing recipes today for brain health. These juice recipes consist of a lot of nourishing nutrition, from B vitamins to vitamin C, and as always I will be sure to leave the information in the description. I'm using some raspberries and some blueberries, and I even have a little piece of turmeric that I will be using in one of the recipes. Now, one of the recipes called for spinach, but I don't have spinach right now, so we're just going to use some lettuce. And I will be using fennel and cucumbers as well today. And my very water dense fruits, I am going to be using oranges, watermelon, and cantaloupe. Okay, so the first recipe is, like I said before, it's good for brain health. And the first recipe, I'm going to put some of the lettuce with some of the blueberry and the raspberries, and I will put the amounts in the description as always. And I'm going to take a little more of the lettuce, and then the cucumber will go in, and I'm using the Nama J2 juicer as always. Now we are going to juice this up. And the lettuce and the cucumber, and I have some ice. And I definitely smell the cucumber dominating. Okay, so let's try the blueberry and the raspberries and the lettuce and the cucumber and the turmeric. I definitely like it, you know. Yeah, I like it. It's okay. And again, this is for brain nourishment, okay? So these juices are for brain nourishment. Okay, so let's get to our next juice. Okay, so this juice is good for stress and a headache. So in this juice, we are going to take some cantaloupe and some watermelon and some orange. So that's all we are using, is the watermelon and the cantaloupe and the orange. And so now we are going to go ahead and juice this up. We're going to try some together. And again, this is a cantaloupe and watermelon and some orange. And so let's try it. It's definitely really good, and you know, I can taste the cantaloupe and the watermelon orange. I think they complement each other very well. Okay, so I'm doing this recipe again because I wanted it to be in this video, and I am doing this recipe again because it is good for relieving stress. I have another video where I made this recipe, and I'm just going to add it to this video so that this can be a 3 juice video. So I'm using some lettuce, and I'm using some watermelon, And I'm using some fennel. This juice is good for stress and being able to focus and sleeping well. So now let's juice it up. Okay, and again, this is the watermelon and fennel juice, and I use lettuce and watermelon and fennel. And again, this is good for stress and being able to focus and sleeping well, among other things. And let's try it. I can definitely taste the watermelon dominating. It's very refreshing. Yes. So I hope you all enjoyed this lovely video. I'm so grateful when I can create these videos for you to nourish you and to help you to sustain your health and your well-being. As always, continue to be blessed, be true to yourself,